To get voice chat in Roblox. To use voice chat in Roblox, you must meet Roblox eligibility requirements and it enable in your account settings. Step 1. Click settings. Make sure you are eligible. You must complete Roblox age check. So for this, go to account. In this, you have seen the age group and birthday. You need to enable it by using giving verification. We have seen a verification tab is there. You need to click it. Complete the age check. Verify your age. Follow the instruction to verify your age. So by clicking continue, you can verifying. Once after verifying, you can eligible voice chat. Go to settings, communication, and turn on voice chat. So if you are eligible means you need to click communication. So in this, we have seen the settings voice chat. So you can enable it. So if you're not eligible means it will not open. So first enable and make sure you are eligibility and complete the age check and verify it. So this is how to get voice chat in Roblox. So thanks for watching.